Are you a dinosaur fan? Do you love to learn about these giant creatures? Indroda Nature Park is the place that comforts your interests. The country's only dinosaurs museum. Expand your wings to 482 hectares wide dinosaurs den near Sabarmati River. Visit the world's second and Gujarat's first man-made fossil park. The fossils are brought from the world's third largest dinosaur fossil excavation site. Witness your imagination at the world's second largest hatchery of dinosaurs' eggs, as old as 66 million years. Not just that, meet the exotic leopard, antelope and nilgai at its zoo. Measure the length of a massive skeleton of blue